Let's make a quick and easy chicken and corn egg drop soup. It has tender chicken, sweet corn, and only takes 15 minutes. Mix together thin slices of chicken, salt, cornstarch, oil, and water. This helps to keep it tender. Then in a pot, add chicken broth, chicken bouillon, garlic powder, ground ginger, white pepper, and turmeric for color. Once it's boiling, add the chicken and cornstarch slurry to thicken it up and some corn. Lower the heat to a simmer and slowly pour in the eggs. Stir gently to create those beautiful thin silky egg ribbons. Turn off the heat and finish it off with sesame oil, green onions, and enjoy.